Here is actually today I'm gonna change it. You see the element is Joven. It's be shorted, so I already changed it. Joven 3 kb. Okay, so make sure all part itself is the Joven, so the element is there on top. So make sure we have to change also thermostat. We also change the thermostat. See, here we open and tight it. Water make sure is coming down, but you find the part to open it, the spanner. Okay, so we just open it, and we already done to change thermal fuse. So the thermal fuse also we need to change one short, because if we got problems, so your heater will be short, so you have to change it, this one also. So let's gonna change it. So finally our water hot already started.